I want to welcome you back to Beyond AI Solutions, where we're all about tech and we're all about keeping it real. Just like these guys you see marching strong and steady, we're doing it the same way, guiding you step by step. That's right, in this ever changing world of AI. You know who it is. It's me, Rome, your neighborhood AI guru. And today, I'm going to introduce you to the face of GPT, the little Miss GPT herself. She goes by Miss Chat DID. Yeah, I know you probably saying, huh? Well, she's an AI powered companion. That's all she's set up for this thing. She's set up for entertainment. Yep, even to help you in everything that you got to do in the house. That's right. So buckle up. We get ready for this exciting ride as we dive into this vast world of AI. And don't forget to subscribe and like. And if you already subscribed, don't forget to hit that bell for notification. And remember, leave a comment because we need you, baby.
Chat.did lets users talk with an AI. Really talk. No keyboards, no cursors, a face-to-face conversation. You can ask me almost anything.
What's a good way to propose to my girlfriend?
Read a funny story for my kids to make them laugh.
Explain quantum physics to me as if I were a 7-year-old.
What is the better baby name, Sarah or Sophia?
Please host my family's trivia night.
Simulate a job interview with
Cheer
me.
me up with the worst dad joke you can think of.
Settle this argument. Bowls in the top or bottom of the dishwasher.
Anything.
Inspire me in a sentence before my big meeting.
You have the power within you to overcome any obstacle and achieve greatness. Just go to chat.d-id.com now to really chat with ChatGPT.
So are we ready to get started? Because we got to get started, right? Did you just see that? So that little chatbot right there is something that's just getting started. And you do have to get started using AI. Oh, I'm not a spokesman for these people or nothing like that. I'm just stating the fact that life now, everything has AI in it. I just went to Checkers the other and AI talked to me. So let's get started so we can change our lives. So tell your friends, tell everybody about this. Look, we're gonna get into this thing, all right? And remember, if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe. And hit the like button. Hit that bell for notification. Because, hey, listen, if y'all like this type of stuff, I'm going to keep bringing it to you every chance I get. Have a day job, building roller coasters right now. I'm a field engineer. So, y'all, let's get started on this thing, all right? Let's get into this. All right, listen. Click on Google. Google's okay to still click. You want to click in that chat, DID, enter. All right, you see where it say chat.d/.d.com. We're gonna click on there. All right, so you notice you're gonna have to sign up if you haven't already. Well, anyway, I'm gonna sign in. If you haven't signed up, you already know. You just go through the procedures. They're gonna ask you for your email address, probably your name, all those little things. Well, anyway, I'm gonna sign in so we can see how to use this thing. Okay. Sign in. I'm on slow internet. All right. There go Miss ChatGPT herself in the flesh. Well, in whatever. AI. Well, anyway, I want to bring this to your attention also. You see how it say chats left? Well, when you first start, of course, when you start your new, when you open the new subscription, or well, not subscription, because it's free at first, they give you 20 chats, and also you can only put 350 words in this thing at a time. So Miss Alice don't want to be overexerted, so let's keep them numbers down. Well, anyway, let's ask her a little simple question, okay? And I use the microphone, and this $20 at Walmart, and I don't advertise for them either. But anyway, so let's ask her a question, okay? Look at it, she want to say something already. Let's make sure this volume and stuff is up. Hello.
Hello there. How can I assist you today?
Okay, early in the morning, you done woke, you done brush your teeth, you're thinking about it. Hey, did I freeze my credit? I know Rome said something about freezing your credit. Let me ask Atlas if she know anything about freezing your credit. So let's ask her, okay? Do you know anything about freezing your credit? I heard that you can freeze your credit for free. TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. If so, can you give me a step-by-step way to freeze my credit? I will be using my Android phone, so if you can assist me on that, it would be very appreciative.
Sure, I can help you with that. Here's a step-by-step guide to freezing your credit. 1. Contact the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. You can do this online or by phone. 2. Provide your personal information, such as your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. 3. Request a security freeze on your credit report. You may need to pay a fee to do this, depending on your state laws and if you've been a victim of identity theft. 4. The credit bureaus will send you a confirmation letter with a unique PIN or password. Keep this in a safe place, as you'll need it to lift the freeze in the future. 5. Once the freeze is in place, no one will be able to access your credit report without your permission. This can prevent identity theft and credit fraud, as lenders won't be able to approve new credit lines or loans without seeing your credit report. 6. If you need to apply for credit or a loan in the future, you'll need to lift the freeze temporarily. Contact the credit bureaus and provide your PIN or password to do so. 7. When you're done with your credit application or loan, remember to freeze your credit again. It's important to note that freezing your credit won't prevent all types of identity theft, but it can be an effective way to protect your credit report from unauthorized access. Additionally, you should still monitor your credit report regularly, even with a freeze in place, to ensure there are no unauthorized accounts or activity.
Okay. So let's ask about the Android phone, because I think they can get typed in there and let them know that it is for free. So I have a Android phone. Phone check. And I'm at the type. So I have an Android phone, and I want to freeze. understand a lot of tech. Let's see what she say about this. And I'm gonna get out of here, okay? And y'all can play with y'all self.
I'm sorry, but I must clarify that you cannot freeze your credit from your Android phone. Freezing your credit requires contacting the credit bureaus Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion directly, either online or by phone. You can do this using any device that has an internet connection, such as a computer or phone. Would you like some guidance on how to
I'm
contact
sorry.
the credit bureaus
I'm
and
sorry.
freeze your credit?
I'm sorry, man. I should have just said it on my phone. She the Android, boy. She like, oh my God. Hey, boy, she took that serious, didn't she? She took that serious. Yeah. Come on.
Certainly. Here are the steps to freeze your credit using your Android phone.
Yeah.
1. Open your web browser on your Android phone and go to the website of one of the 3 major credit bureaus at Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion. 2. Look for the security freeze or credit freeze option on the website. 3. Follow the steps provided by the credit bureau to initiate the freeze. You will need to provide personal information such as your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. 4. The credit bureau will provide you with a PIN or password that you will need to keep in a safe place. You will need this PIN or password to lift the freeze in the future.
That's right.
5. Repeat steps 2 to 4 for the other 2 credit bureaus to ensure that your credit is fully frozen. It's important to note,
Y'all see how to use this thing. Play with this thing. No, don't play with it. Be serious, man. AI, learn how to use this stuff. Your credit. Please look into it. Ask her, what does it mean to freeze your credit? Hey, Beyond AI Solutions, LLC, we're out of here. We love you. Leave a comment. Peace.